Hello guys, welcome back. Guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create an account on Binance Exchange, and along with this, I'm gonna show you what all settings you should do on your account as soon as you create a Binance account. And along with this, I'm gonna show you the KYC verification process also. And guys, I'll also show you how to get 35% discount on all your trades for lifetime, which means that for example, if the commission fees is 100 rupees, then you'll get 35% discount, which means that you'll only have to pay the 65 rupees as commission fees. Guys, if you didn't know, Binance is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange in the world, which comes with lot of features. Guys, in case if you have accounts on Wazirix, Zeppay or any other cryptocurrency exchanges, it doesn't matter. Watch this video and create a Binance account, because I'm gonna show you how to do margin trading and leverage trading, which will have 100x returns. So don't miss out. And guys, by the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno. Guys, if you're looking to grow your YouTube channel, Instagram account, and if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then you're on the right spot, so consider subscribing. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now you'll have to download an application called Binance from Play Store. So just download and install this application. So guys, here you'll have to type your Gmail ID and you should set one password. Guys, in case if it's asking you to add your phone number to register, then at the top you'll find an option called register with email. So click on this option. Now just enter your email ID and set one strong password. Guys, now this is important. You'll find an option called referral ID. So just click on this and enter my referral ID. If you add my referral ID, then you'll get 10% discount on all your trades for lifetime. So don't miss out this opportunity. You'll find my referral code in the description of this video. So just copy that and paste it here. And guys, along with this 10% discount, I'll also show you how to get additional 25% discount on all your trades. So 10% plus 25% is equal to 35% discount on all your commission fees. So to get 10% discount now, add my referral ID. And later in the video, I'll show you how to get additional 25% discount. Now after adding my referral ID, just click on this arrow mark. Now guys, here you should drag this puzzle and place it here. So to do that, just drag this arrow mark and place it wherever the puzzle outline is. Okay guys, now Binance will send you one verification code to your Gmail ID. So go to your Gmail and just copy that code. Binance will send you one 6-digit code. So just type that code in this box and click on the submit option. So guys, now Binance is asking you to verify your account. So to verify your account, click on verify now. So guys, here you should select your country. If you're from India, then leave it as it is. Now down here, you should verify two things: basic information, identity and facial verification. So to do that, click on start. Now under PAN, just type your PAN card number. Guys, remember, PAN card is compulsory. In case if you don't have a PAN card, then create an account in your parents or siblings name. Now under full name, just type your name. And down below, just set your date of birth. Guys, remember the date of birth format should be in year, month and day. Now under residential address, just type your home address, pin code and your city. Once after filling up everything, just tick this box and click on the continue option. Now here you should submit any one document to verify your identity. Now you can upload any ID card like Aadhaar card, or you can upload passport or driver's license. I'll just upload Aadhaar card. So click on ID card option. Now here you should upload front and back images of your Aadhaar card. Now click on upload front page to upload front image of your Aadhaar card. Now click on upload photo. Click on allow. Now similarly do the same thing to upload back image of your Aadhaar card. Now click on continue. Guys, now here you should upload your selfie picture. So click on this option. Click on upload photo. Now once after uploading your selfie photo, click on continue. Guys, here Binance will take one live selfie picture of your face. So make sure the lighting is good. So whenever you are ready, click on begin verification. So just place your face just like this, and the app will ask you to blink. So start blinking slowly while looking at the selfie camera. Sometimes the app will also ask you to turn your head left and right, and sometimes it will ask you to open your mouth and close. So do all that. So just do as the app says, because this is to protect your Binance account. So yes guys, the verification process is completed. Now Binance will go through all your details and they'll verify your account. Usually they'll take just 10 to 60 minutes time to verify your account. So once your account gets approved, then here the pending option will get removed and you'll see a verified option. Okay guys, now I'll show you how to verify your mobile number. So to do that, click on this icon here. Click on OK. Now if you go all the way down, you'll find an option called settings. So click on this option. Here you can see there's 4 options here. Out of these 4, we have already finished email authentication. Now we have to verify a mobile number. So for this, click on SMS authentication. Now just tap on this to enable SMS authenticator. Now type your mobile number here. Now here you can see there's a number 44. So this is not our country code. Our Indian code is 91. So we should change that. So just tap on that and select India. Now click on confirm. Guys, now here you should verify your mobile number and again you should verify your email ID. So to verify mobile number, click on send code. Now Binance will text you one verification code to your mobile number. So just type that code in this box. Now again under email verification, to get the code, click on send code. So guys, now Binance will send you one verification code to your Gmail ID. So go to your mail ID and just copy that code or just type that code in this box and click on submit. So yeah guys, the mobile number has been successfully verified. Guys, in the beginning of this video, I've already showed you how to get 10% discount on all your trades. Now I'll show you how to get additional 25% discount. Guys, in case if you're confused on what is this 10% discount or what is this 25% discount is, guys, whenever you buy any cryptocurrency, you should pay a tiny amount of fees as commission. This usually gets deducted in the process. So I'll show you how to save 35% commission. I've already showed you how to get 10% discount. Now I'll show you how to get additional 25% discount. So guys, now click on this icon here. Here you'll find an option called fee discount. So click on this option. So to enable this, you should convert your Binance account to Binance Pro account. So click on OK. So just turn off this option. So yeah guys, now your account has been upgraded to Pro version. Now again click on the profile icon. Click on fee discount. Now just turn on this option. Guys, now in order for this to work, you should have a little bit of BNB coin in your portfolio. In case if you don't have BNB coin, then purchase a little bit of that. So whenever you trade, a percentage of BNB coin will get deducted from your account. So yeah guys, now this is how you get 35% discount on all your trades. So yeah guys, here you can see that within few minutes my account got verified. So yeah guys, here you can see that it's showing verified. Now all you have to do is just deposit some money and buy your first crypto. Okay guys, now don't forget to use my referral code while creating a account on Binance. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos, Instagram and cryptocurrency related videos. So if you're a YouTuber, Instagrammer, or if you're looking to make money online by doing cryptocurrencies, then consider subscribing. Okay guys, now if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.